Welcome back to another deep dive, everyone. Today we've got something really exciting to talk about. EON Innovate. This new platform is about to change the way we think about education, using a combination of AI, no-code tools, and XR simulations. Have you heard about it?
Oh, I've definitely been reading up on it. It's mind-blowing. The idea that students can now have an AI mentor guiding them through their entire learning journey with personalized feedback and support, that's game-changing. And the fact that it also removes the coding barrier with those no-code tools, that's huge for creativity and innovation.
Exactly. One of the things I love is how EON Innovate takes this complex technology and makes it accessible. It's designed to work for anyone, whether you're a high school student, a vocational trainee, or even in higher education. The idea is that students can actually create their own projects, no programming skills required, and see them come to life in XR simulations.
Right. It's not just theoretical. It's hands-on learning in fields like STEM, healthcare, engineering, and more. Imagine a student being able to virtually perform an experiment or even conduct a surgery simulation, all from the safety of their classroom. The XR aspect brings those abstract concepts to life.
Exactly. And what's even cooler is how EON Innovate is designed to be super user-friendly. The AI doesn't just guide students, it adapts to their learning pace, providing real-time feedback and making sure they stay on track. So every learner gets exactly what they need to succeed.
That's the magic of it, right? Personalized learning at scale. Students aren't just following a standard curriculum. They're learning in a way that's tailored specifically to them. And for teachers, it's a dream too. They can create custom lessons, monitor progress, and focus on delivering value instead of getting bogged down in lesson planning.
I think this is going to make a massive difference in education. You're no longer limited by physical tools, limited time, or even coding expertise. Everyone can experiment and create. Suddenly, the learning possibilities are endless.
And let's not forget the impact on engagement. Students who might otherwise struggle with traditional methods are way more motivated when they get to interact with the material in such an immersive, hands-on way. It's just exciting to see education evolving like this.
Absolutely. EON Innovate feels like a glimpse into the future of learning. And we're not just talking about theory here. Schools and universities are already adopting it, and they're seeing fantastic results. It's definitely something to keep an eye on.
For sure. We'll be watching how it unfolds. It's an exciting time for education, and I think we're just getting started.
Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.